Hello, in this video I'll be showing you a couple of new things in Sybiz General Ledger journals. The first one being the ability to reverse, the second one being the ability to apply tax to those General Ledger lines. Okay, so we'll go straight into the journals and we'll go create one. This is going to be a variation to accounting fees. And we're going to go into inventory sales because we're doing a bit of a contra here, and reference, and we're going to do $110, and then we're going to go to the accounting fees. And that'll be the opposite. Okay, just get rid of that extra line. Okay, that's pretty much our journal. Let's go and process it. Close it off, and let's just go and check that everything worked okay. And we go into the profit and loss statement, preview the report, and let's have a look. And, oh, wait a sec, that's negative 110. It's not supposed to be negative 110. It's supposed to be a positive 110. Made a mistake. So we'll go back into journals, and I will go and now do a new from. I'll go and pick that variation. Here it is, okay? This time, because I made a mistake, I just want to reverse it out. So I'm going to reverse the lines on both sides, hit process, and we've now got rid of it. If we go back into the report, we will see it's back to zero, all okay. All right, now close that off, go back into journals, and let's do it the correct one this time. So let's do we can even do the new from. We can take the one where we did the reversal. Okay, this time we've got the credit in the inventory sales and the debit in the accounting fees being correct. Now this is only 2 lines in a journal, but as you can imagine, if you've got a journal with 50, 60, 100 lines in there, it's a lot easier when you want to go and reverse something to simply hit the reverse all lines. All right. The one thing I'm going to do here though with this journal is I'm going to take an extra thing, and I'm going to say, well, I actually should really take tax into account on these 2 lines because tax is applied. So if I right click here and go to column chooser, I'm going to bring 3 different fields. I won't worry about that one. I'll just bring the tax code and the tax. All right, so we've now got these 2 lines, and I can go and choose GST applies, and I can do GST applies on those 2 lines. Now, tax will be taken up on those 2 lines as well, just doing a simple journal. Now, the first thing, before I process this, I'm just going to save it and close out. And I'll give it a specific name to do with this. This is to do with contra re-accountant. Let's save and close that. And I just want to come into the defaults for General Ledger, because the defaults in General Ledger, it's important. In here in the defaults, you dictate what your tax on debit control is and tax on credit control. And they are the 2 posting accounts that will handle all the GST, or the tax components, should I say, for the journal. All right. If they're not set, you won't be able to do tax on a journal. So let's go back into journals. We'll go open that one that we've got here, contra reaccountant, and we've got the tax on here now, and I can go and process that transaction. We'll now go and have a look in the profit and loss. I've now got the $100 to accounting fees, not 110. And the $10 has now gone to tax, which would have been, if we come down here, we might be able to see it. Nope, we don't, because it's on the balance sheet account. So your liability and your deductible accounts would have handled the tax from that perspective. All right. Thanks for watching and thanks for choosing Sybiz.